Growth and transformation is one of the greatest needs of human. While a lot of people can show you evidence of growth in their life, I've come to realize working with business owners, with leaders in organizations, with parents and youth, that the evidence of growth they can show you in their life is far from the true transformation that they really want or the true achievement they believe they can record. Having worked with a lot of leaders in their journey of transformation, helping them move from where they are to where they truly want to be, I've come to a conclusion without any doubt that there's a mix of competence that every human being achieving greatness out there have mastered. And you have to master it if you want to achieve true growth and transformation in your life. My name is Enahoro Okhae. I am the CEO of Pulse Factory and GIGM. I'm an emotional intelligence application coach and a strategy and performance management expert. I'm also a certified life coach and a neuro-linguistic programming practitioner. I'm a certified balanced scorecard management professional and a business and management consultant with over 16 years experience in helping business leaders and business owners achieve growth and transformation in their lives by rightly aligning the emotions, what they feel, and performance, what they do, together to help them achieve transformation that have been difficult for them to experience. In between your emotions and performance, a spectrum of competencies that are learnable and measurable, such that is hardly taught in classrooms and certainly not in a lot of training rooms. At Pulse Factory, we know that emotions drive people and people drive performance. What we are committing to do through this channel is to expose you to competencies, skills, and depth of knowledge that are usually unpopular but highly potent in helping you differentiate yourself from those who are struggling and coping with life and give you the capacity to thrive in all aspects of your life so that you can become more effective, you can have smoother relationships, you can experience better well-being, and of course, become more satisfied and wealthier in your life. So hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that together we can unfold the fulfillment of your overaching purpose in life, one episode after the other.